So I'm here in Roatan, Honduras, and the sun is just setting for the second last time on my trip. In today's video, I'm going to head out night snorkeling. I've been doing this just about every night that I've been here, and it's terrific. So I wanted to show you exactly what I'm bringing with me, and that is these things here. So I've got this bag. It's a dry bag and it's inflatable so that people don't hit me with their boat. It's probably not gonna happen. There's not very many boats out at night. It's just something I figure I need something extra with me when I'm out snorkeling at night. And then I got my cameras here, my Insta360 in the dive case so I can catch the octopus and the lobsters, whatever I see. This one for the sound, because I'll be making a video for you guys today. This Wurkkos flashlight, which is amazing. So it's got a high beam, it's got a floodlight, it's got an infrared light and a red light. So the infrared will light up some of the corals and that, really cool in the bag, and then the red light, it doesn't mess with octopus and the way they sleep. And then I've got my extra long stick for the camera and my fins and my mask and snorkel. So I'll be headed out in just a few minutes here. It's a very short walk to the bay from here to go snorkeling, and it's only like 200 feet off the shore. So let's get ready and see what we can find out there. And we made her. Time to go let this thing really shine out there. This is gonna be good. All right, I'm all set here for one of the coolest adventures I've ever been on. Let's go check out this reef in the dark. That little squid's pretty darn cool. Good find right off the bat here. This is a really cool place. I wish I could do this in more places in the world, but there isn't many like it where you can do this off the beach. So I'm gonna go see what else I can find down there. Then we got a little octopus here right after that. That's pretty impressive. Pretty sweet little tour here. All kinds of beautiful little creatures down there. Fine in the night. It's terrific. Nothing like being greeted by a baby barracuda at the end of it all. Good thing Mom was not about. That's nuts. That's just nuts what you find out here at night. The best. I'm a Jaunting Ape. The world is yours, my friends.